Because the night vision function has not evolved, your vision is very limited at night. This is a giant flower bush. If you evolve special visual functions, you can see and feed on nectar to sustain life. Your visual senses are constantly changing as you evolve, but only after multiple acquisitions will it become a permanent sense. You should strategically choose to evolve the senses you think are best for your survival. Over-evolution in a single sense can also be counterproductive. Check out your unique evolutionary path. And what creature you become according to your evolution.